myself Dr. Sandeep Mishra. I am from Lucknow. I was wishing to come here since last 5 years after passing my PG, but due to some reasons I was not here. I was keep watching Dr. Mishra sir videos on YouTube and keep doing my surgeries along with my seniors and all. But something was lacking. That was some practical skills and all. So after coming here for the FMAS course, the class and everything was very well designed. Whatever sir taught in the morning, that we are going to practice in the afternoon, or whatever is taught in the evening, we are going to practice next day in the morning. And according to that, the surgeries were very well planned. Whatever we learned in the class, we are going to observe that in the OT. So it was a wonderful course. I thank you, sir. And I would also request him to design some advanced course for us so that we can again come to join that and keep on improving our learning. Advanced laparoscopic course and like that. And thank you, Balla sir, for giving us the introduction for the endoscopy and all, and giving us the vision how the endoscopy surgery can be going to be more beneficial for the surgeons. So sharing each and every bit of knowledge and the logic behind the knowledge, that I think it is a better thing, that how our brain can incorporate it and it can go in our subconscious mind, because just knowing the facts is not good for us. At this stage, we also brain also wants to know what is the logic, and Mishra sir and Bhalla sir are always giving the logic behind the thing so that it is going deep and deep in our mind, and we can retain it more and more time. And while executing, each time it is making us alarming that no, don't go this, don't do this. So it is very helpful in practical surgery. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr. Sir. Thank you, Bhalla sir. Thanks.
Deepika from Chennai. Actually, I'm a gynec-oncologist. So I was really skeptical after doing a super specialty how much I'll gain from this place, because this is all about basics. Even though we have been doing laparoscopy and robotic, there were many whys. Why is my surgeon doing that like this? And that question was never answered all these 10 years since the time of joining PG. And I really feel almost all the whys are cleared by Mishra sir and Balla sir. And this is not the end. I think this is a starting point. And only when we start doing, there'll be 1,000 more whys. And I think we'll be coming back to you for clearing all those whys. And one more thing I want to say is, as the lectures were long, sometimes we were sleepy. And thanks to Balla sir for his excellent sense of humor, who kept telling stories, and he used to correlate with our daily things, which kept the classes alive and enjoyable. That is more important. And leaving family, especially for women, to leave the kids and to come here for 2 or 3 weeks isn't an easy task. We needed a support. And I request the entire team to spread your institutes throughout the country, because as a female it is very difficult, to travel long distance. So, and it could be a way of, paving way to share the skills to everybody, which is not included in our curriculum, sir. And thanks to the entire team for making these 2 weeks a wonderful, memorable event. And I had chance to meet so many people. I've made so many new friends here, and knowledge should be shared. Hope we go back and share whatever we have learned from here. Thanks to all.
Good afternoon, everyone. And I'm Brahmara Guru, one of the consultant gynecologists from UK, North Wales. I want to first of all congratulate all my peers who are sitting here, and share my heartfelt thanks to the facilitators and the team that have been Professor Mishra and Dr. Balla, and the fantastic team that have looked after us with such care. I've never felt this homely when I've been to any other course in any country, I should say. The course and what I've learned has dispersed all the myths and comments I've had over the years. As a female gynecologist, I am sure some of you have faced the challenges, but the fact the team showed me, I don't need to be tall or 5'5", 5'6" to be a laparoscopic surgeon, as a comment I received. It is about knowing every step and being able to execute it. It has given me so much confidence that I can go back and provide that safe service continue to provide that safe service to my patients. The details and depth of the course, as my peer has mentioned, has been extremely useful. You could read a book, but it is not the same as you see, you hear, you execute it. Your memory and the parts of the brain that sort of carries away that will really help retain that and apply that and improve it over the course of time. This was something that I really appreciated. I've been to courses before for suturing and etc., but no course gave me a breakdown that was immensely useful. The amount of confidence I gained after that was excellent. I can read books, but thank you so much for providing us the knowledge and the confidence.
Good afternoon to all. Good afternoon to my colleagues. Actually, first of all, I want to tell that when I decided to come to this course, I was a little bit skeptical earlier. But once I joined, it was just mind-blowing for me. It was beyond my expectations, and especially the classes, the details of the classes, because every time we hear the classes, so much boring it will be. But these classes, yes, we were very tired. Sometimes we slept also. But still, I tell that each and every sentence it was to make us awake and want to listen each and every word what they are telling. And that was the situation for me, and I think for all of you. Because I didn't want to miss a single word, because everything was very important for us. And fantastic classes I have ever in my life seen. And thank you, Mishra sir, and thank you, Bala sir, putting all your efforts and that love in the class and the dedication. It was awesome. And second, I want to thank all the staff. The patience of yours and dedication towards the work is really awesome. Because really, in today's world, we get so irritated, and for everything we ask again and again to them, we are calling, please come and show. We get irritated, right, as a humans. But never I saw a point of irritation also in these people. Are really awesome, and I recommend everyone. When I go back to Oman, I work over there. I'm from Bangalore, but I work in Oman. I really recommend this course. Too good it is. Thank you so much for all of you.
Very good afternoon. I am Dr. Sohel from Dhaka, Bangladesh. So really I am very much happy and grateful to speak in front of the lot of the people who are very legendary professor in the laparoscopic surgery, who is very renowned throughout the world. In the meantime, my course mate, colleagues, friends. So this is great opportunity for me. This is a very good experience for me, because when I have come from the Dhaka, excuse me, I am working in the Dhaka Medical College Hospital. At that time, I have come to Delhi with a lot of expectation, because do you know that this is a very demanding political unstable situation between Dhaka and Delhi. In that situation, that was very difficult to manage visa for me. In the meantime, I have done this only for the Dr. R.K. Mishra. So that's why I have come with a great expectation. What happened within last 14 days? In one sentence, I have crossed my imagination of expectation. I have done a lot. I am coming back to Dhaka with satisfaction, with great satisfaction from World Laparoscopic Hospital. So I am very much grateful to Dr. R.K. Mishra. In the meantime, I also very much grateful to Dr. Bhalla sir. I think that ever I seen, who is one of the best endoscopists, one of the best endoscopists. I have a great exposure, orientation, practical class regarding the endoscopy. In the meantime, I think that I am the very initial stage of GI endoscopy, but he will remain in my mind throughout my surgical or endoscopy life. So Dr. Bhalla sir, I am very much grateful to you. In the meantime, all of my course mate, student, friend, this is a very fantastic environment to work, to learn. This is a very good environment. People from several countries, especially Africa, So this is a very good family environment to learn. So I am really grateful to all of them. In the future, I think that I will come again and again to learn in the World Laparoscopic Hospital. So my hearty request to Dr. Bhalla sir, Dr. Mishra sir, please give a space to your mind as a student from Dhaka, because I will come again and again. This is my commitment. I will come again and again to learn. In the meantime, I will take a message to my country, to my doctors for Dhaka Medical College Hospital. You people can go to World Laparoscopy Hospital to learn. It will be helpful to serve the humanity. Because if you are to serve the humanity, you can go, you can learn, and you will come back to Dhaka, you will serve our people. Thank you so much. Thank you for great opportunity to speak something. Assalamu alaikum.
Chief guest, Dr. K.K. Khandelwal, for his insights, experiences.
Actually, I have passed my PG this year, so I wanted to join a private hospital, and that from the MD they are saying that you should learn the laparoscopy. So one of our senior teacher was there. They are telling that you can go there and learn the laparoscopy, but I said that I want to learn from a legend, actually the best is in the country. So I came to here in the World Laparoscopy Hospital. Actually, I came to know from my teacher, Dr. Obeki ma'am and Dr. Mendang sir. They are from Nagaland. Actually, they were saying that about, they also know about you, and one of our SR also will come next month, Dr. Nidhi ma'am. She will come to you. And thanks to Valla sir for everything about. Actually, the teaching, the way you teach, it is very fine. From the beginning, I was not attentive in my MBBS course, but here that day it was 2.5 year class was there, but I never feel bored. Mainly the hysteroscopy class. It was so fine and it was so attentive. I was there at that time. And thank you, sir. Thank you, Valla sir. And thank you, Mishra sir. And thank you, everyone.
Zinodia. I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan. Since 2020, after doing my MS, I was planning to learn and do laparoscopy. It was when I used to attend these surgeries, I used to feel like it's very complex and how we will learn, how we will perform. But I didn't get the opportunity. Then this year in 2025 Jan, I got this opportunity to join the course, and in 2 weeks we will learn so much. It was not expected actually. The day 1st Jan to today, I am totally changed. Like how I used to perceive the TLH was very difficult, but sir has explained in the class and then in the OT, each and every step, the minuteness, the logic behind it, and after the wet lab, the next day I was feel like I can do TLH. That kind of confidence we gained. So it is actually amazing, and the whole team is very good and patient. Whenever we ask, every answer, everything was explained very nicely. Every class was very deeply, the knowledge was given. So we will be always grateful to the whole team of World Laparoscopy Hospital. Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you, sir.